Hello everyone, I'm still trying to finish my triptych. One thing occurred to me the other day as I was working away that we haven't really talked about before, and that's the density of the mosaic, the proportion of the subject to the background. When it's just one thing like a peacock, it's not so important, I don't have to worry about it too much, but here we've got lots of elements. We've got the fish, the coral, some starfish, some shells, the seabed, and they've all got to balance. It's a bit like making a meal. You've got to get the proportion of the ingredients right in order for it to taste good. I was working away the other day when I realised I needed some more small fish to go in this area here, because these days I don't plan ahead too much. I tend to make it up as I go along, which is much more exciting for me. So having to stop and make more pieces, of course, sets me back a day, but that's okay, because the one thing you need to learn when you're making a mosaic is patience. Yeah, right.